Morning traders, this is Shagun Chart 247. I train traders how to trade in harmony with the market. So this morning, the focus is on the US dollar Japanese yen. The dollar yen is still very bullish, and look at this trend. This has been something of a, this doesn't happen all the time, and you can see how strong any time frame you look on this pair. I've only just selected this reset point that we have here, okay, because you don't need to do all this here. We don't need all this information. So let's look at this one, because we are day traders and we can analyze. This is enough information for us to be able to determine what's going to happen in the short to medium term. All right, so this is an uptrend. Okay, so that we know. The last pullback, no change of trend. We don't have any trend changing pattern with this pullback. And this here is the last bullish structure that created this series of higher highs. Okay, that was a momentum high. We had a momentum high followed by a pullback and a momentum high. So the structure here became a reversal structure. 161.26, 26.9. They came below it yesterday. This is a normal behavior after a completed wave structure. They break one structure and use it as a reversal point. That's why we call this type of structure reversal structure, because what they stand for is there's liquidity below the structure, because the last people that got involved in this trend from this bullish structure to this momentum high, this is where they are placing their stop. Okay, the ones that got in here, that they are the ones that know what they're doing. The ones that got it here, they are the confirmation buyers. Basically, they waited for all the confirmation, maybe moving average, maybe MACD. You get what I'm saying? All those tools, they will wait for it to happen before they get into the trade. And at the end of the day, they will make small profit. And also, if they don't know how to get out, that profit will be taken away from them and they will lose money. But we know that this point will serve as a reversal point. So what are we looking for after a reversal structure has been traded? It's very simple. Is a pattern we all know, okay? Something like this. Okay, I think I've shared it before, but I'm going to draw on this chart using a different color. So that was the high that broke the low. I just want to change this. Okay, so that's the break. We've seen an attempt. Okay, this has to be traded twice. So that was the first trade above it. Then this is your second pass. Anything from here is a buy. Okay, we've seen the move here. So basically, what you're looking for is a W pattern, trying to capture the second pass. Okay, couple of things we have to do to confirm this trade. Your safest entry is the 161.57 to buy, but we have to use the Fibonacci to actually determine how valid this trade is. Okay, so the first one I'm drawing is from this potential continuation move, okay, after a reversal. So we drop from the low to the high. All right, I'm going to leave that as it is there. We'll lock it in place. All right, then I'll draw the entire rise. Okay, that's the one that we're looking for. A couple of confluences on that level. Change this to key ratio, lock it in place. And as you can see, we have a strong confluence here. I already had an alert to the 161, 162.41 because that's a very strong level. Okay, let's look above here. We have another level here, so the potentially will have another extension to the upside as long as the price don't go back below the low of yesterday. Okay, so in terms of execution, we know we want to buy. Selling is no longer an option. So for the Fibonacci that we drew up here, this is the buy zone here. So this box, this rectangle represents the buy zone. Okay, so that's the buy zone. Price has retraced into the buy zone from this move. Okay, if you look at this, this is also the buy zone of the entire rise. Very important that you have levels of on top of levels in terms of zones of engagement. Okay, this is the bigger buy zone. Now we came in yesterday very strongly to flush people out, as I've said before. And this is where we are right now. So if price starts to break above here, the pullback has been satisfied. We can see the pattern coming out, and a break above 161.57 will be the best entry for buy. Okay, if you entered there, your stop loss should come below this low, 161.14. What am I looking for? Okay, that's the entry point, and we should be looking to target the 162, this target one, 162.35 first. Okay, that will be my target for this trade in the US dollar Japanese yen. Okay, there you have it. My name is Shagun Chat 247, and I wish you a successful trading day.